Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan guys na mag-react sa banda Mission Souls, yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na kanta ni Avril Lavigne, yung Head Above Water. Yan, tignan natin kung gaano kagaling dito guys ang bandang Mission Souls.
I've gotta keep the calm before the storm.
Taas ng boses ng Stacy.
I don't want less, I don't want more. Must bar the windows and the doors.
Gusto ko dito yung pagpapiano ni Naces. Napaka-smooth, no? Pianong tunog, parang grand piano.
To keep me safe, to keep me warm. Yeah, my life is what I'm fighting for.
Stig nun ah. Yung hampas ni Ice, no? Timing na timing.
Can't part the sea, can't reach the shore. And my voice becomes the driving force.
Wow. Nakakagulat yun ah, yung birit ni Stacy na yun.
I won't let this pull me overboard. Gotta keep my head above water, don't let me drown.
Ayan na guys, pumasok na yung ibang instrumento.
It gets harder, I'll meet you there at the altar as I fall down to my knees. Don't let me drown, drown, drown.
Ngayon ko lang narinig tong kanta ni Avril na to. Madalas ko marinig sa kanya yung mga sumikat niya talagang kanta eh.
Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me drown. So pull me up from down below.
Sa inyo guys, ano yung pinaka-paborito nyong kanta ni Avril? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section.
'Cause I'm underneath the undertow. Come dry me off and hold me close.
Tapos din ang boses ni Mami Sheena, no? Talagang may pinagmanahan si Stacy pagdating sa boses.
I need you now, I need you most. God, keep my head above water, don't let me drown. It gets harder, I'll meet you.
Hindi ko lang alam kung si Avril lang nag-compose nitong kanta na to. Magaling din siya mag-compose ng mga kanta.
At the altar, as I fall down to my knees. Don't let me drown, drown, drown. Don't let me, don't
Ang ganda rin ng harmony nila dito. Yung second voice ni Mami Sheena. Tsaka nila Naces at Nisha.
let me, don't let me drown. Don't let me drown, drown, drown. And keep my head above water, above water. And I
Parang feeling ko nadadalian lang si Ice dito sa beat nitong kanta na to, no? Simpleng-simple lang sa kanya pumalo.
can't see in the stormy weather. I can't seem to keep it all together.
Gustong-gusto ko pinapanood si Ice pag yung mga mabilis na kanta eh, mga rock talaga eh. Talagang makikita mo doon yung mga ano niya, style niya ng pagpalo, yung mga technique.
And I can't swim in the ocean like this forever. And I can't breathe. God, keep my head above
Habang tumatagal, pagaling to si Stacy, no? Yung kanyang vocals lalong nag-i-improve.
water. I lose my breath at the bottom. Come rescue me. I'll be waiting. I'm too young to fall asleep. So God, keep my head above
Parang ito yung kauna-unahang kanta ni Avril Lavigne na kanilang kinover, ano?
water. Don't let me drown. It gets harder. I'll meet you there at the
Gusto ko yan, yung beaty ng drums na yon ni Ice. Parang may konting pose. Galing.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Keep my head above water. Above water.
Nangingibabaw yung ano, no? Yung tunog ng piano ni Naces. Ganda pakinggan. Ayun. Medyo sinimplihan lang nila guys yung tugtugan nila dito. Ayan. Kahit anong genre talaga ipatugtog mo sa Banda Mission Souls, talagang yakang-yaka talaga nila. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga video na napakagaganda guys. At kung mahilig ka sa mga ganitong klaseng reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.